Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something way cooler than just pushing code. I'm walking you through how I use Vercel to push my code and deploy apps in seconds. All I need to do is pull from my repository, and boom, it's live. Super sleek, super fast. Let me show you how it all comes together. Forget the old ways. Today, we're skipping the deployment headaches and diving straight into the future. I'm pulling back the curtain on how Vercel transforms a simple code push into a live, breathing application in mere seconds. You heard that right, from repository to reality, instantly. It's not just fast, it feels like magic. And since we're living in 2025, you know AI isn't just a buzzword, it's built in. Integrating powerful models right into your app? That's the new standard. Let's jump into this. First glance at Vercel? It's less a dashboard, more a mission control for your projects. That top navigation bar, Baz's projects, the tempting pro trial, is just the entry point. The real power is in the full project menu, deployments, analytics, AI, oh yes, the tab, firewall, observability, and more. It's the ultimate developer's toolkit, razor sharp and ready for anything. Case in point, the production deployment of our app, Cinema Script General. Look how effortless this is. URL? Live and screaming onto the web. Status? Locked and loaded. Created? Minutes ago by the legendary Mr. Too Cool. Source? A pristine merge from main by Basil. This isn't just deployed, it's fresh out of the high-speed CI/CD oven. Underneath it all, it's powered by fluid compute, which in Vercel terms means scales like a dream. Your deployments are shielded too, with deployment protection and SKU protection acting as digital guardians against accidental chaos and timeline mix-ups. Need an update? Just push to main. Seriously, that's it. No hoops, no waiting, just bang, it's live. Security? Airtight. The firewall is your digital bouncer, keeping bots out and your sanity intact. Observability tells a perfect story, zero edge requests, zero errors, zero stress, for you, anyway. Analytics is prepped and waiting, one click to enable and start tracking views. It's like flipping on the open sign just before the crowd arrives. Now, for the main event, the revolutionary new AI tab in Vercel. This changes everything. You can now natively weave cutting-edge AI models directly into your projects. A few clicks, and you're plugged into the pioneers of the AI world. Check out who's already here. Offering models like Grok 2, Grok 3 Beta, and the surprisingly potent Grok 3 Mini Fast Beta, which sounds like a bootleg racing game but delivers serious power. Adding a provider isn't just about access, it even unlocks integrated billing through Vercel. Your app costs, your AI costs, one neat dashboard. Say goodbye to dashboard juggling and email chaos. Just to round it off, Cinema Script Gen is running clean on the main branch, thanks to tight GitHub integration. No messy preview branches, yet. A huge shout out to Basil for keeping the codebase immaculate. So there you have it, a glimpse into the power of Vercel. From hitting push to harnessing the latest AI models, it's all consolidated, streamlined, and ready to build the future. Deployment simplified. AI integrated. Complexity vanquished. If seeing this level of speed and integration excites you, smash that like button. Drop a comment below if you're already building with Vercel's AI features, or if you're still scratching your head wondering what Grok actually means. And definitely, absolutely, subscribe, you won't want to miss the next frontier I explore.